Assalamu alaikum everyone. Dear students, what about you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Dear students, now I will introduce myself. I am Ashaduzzaman, assistant teacher English, Kashmir Balucha High School and College, Shirazi Khan Munshigঞ্জ. Dear students, welcome to online class, especially class 9 and 10. From the beginning of the class, I would like to tell you something. I have discussed about the previous class about types of definition of narration, types of narration, how to change person, how to change tenses, and change of narration. Change of narration, especially assertive sentence and integrated sentence. Today, I am going to discuss about imperative sentence. Okay, first of all, we have to know what is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence which sentence is expressed or indicated order, command, request, forbid, propose. Okay, dear students, now look at the board and follow the examples. Okay, he said to me, do the work. Here he said to me, repeating verb, part of repeating verb, and do the work before the speech. Now question is that how we can recognize it. It is imperative sentence. Dear students, from the beginning of the repeated speech, it will be started principal verb or let. If it is started principal verb, now we have to think what type of meaning it is being expressed. Okay, dear students, now I think it is being expressed order. So we have to change our repeating verb order. Now we have to write, we have to written here he speaker, said to needs to be changed ordered, and person spoken to me. And we have to use here linker. Now we have to use here linker only to and verb 1 to the verb. Okay, dear students, do the work. It is imperative sentence and it is being expressed order. Now I have to change repeating verb. We have to change acting to repeating verb order. After speaker, we have to use here order, person spoken to. Now you have to use linker to and do the work. Okay, he ordered me to do the work. Okay, dear students, follow the second example. The teacher said to us, don't neglect your parents. Okay, don't neglect your parents. Here also imperative sentence, and now we have to think what type of meaning it is being expressed. Okay, dear students, I think it is being expressed advised. Okay, now we have to advise, and you have to change your reading verb. Said to needs to be changed advised. After speaker, we have to written advice. The teacher advised us. Okay, follow the board. The teacher advised us. Now we have to use linker. If it is started don't. Now you have to use linker not to neglect. Here person you here is your second person, and person if it is here second person needs to be changed acting to object of repeating verb. Okay, here you ask our needs to, it is totally positive form. Now we have to change positive form. Okay, our parents. Okay, dear students, the teacher advised us not to neglect our parents. Okay, now follow the example number 3. Sajid said to me, please give me a book. Okay, here please give me a book. It's imperative sentence, and now we have to think what type of meaning it is being expressed. It is being expressed request. Now we have to use. Now we have to use. We have to be written after speaker. We have to be written requested. Okay, Sajid requested. Sajid requested. Person spoken to me. Now we have to use here linker to. Okay, to. After linker, we have to use verb. Give. Direction, follow the board. Have me, first person. If it is here first person, if you can find out first person is to be changed acting the subject of using verb. Here me, Sajid. So here me first person and person from objective from. So we can use here him. Him, a pen. Okay, dear students, look at the board and be carefully. Sajid requested me to give him a pen. Okay, number 4. Mother said to me, don't run in the sun. Here, don't run in the sun is also imperative sentence. What type of meaning it is being expressed? I think it is being expressed forbid. Okay, so after speaker, we have to use here forbid. Now, past form forbade. Mother forbade. Mother forbade. Forbade me. Here linker, we have to use only to. To run in the sun. The sun. Okay, dear students, mother forbade me to run in the sun. Example number 5. He said to me, let us go out for a walk. From the beginning of the repeated speech, it will be started principal verb or late. If it is started late, now we have to think what the type of meaning it is being expressed. It is being expressed proposed. Now we have to use here after the speaker. We have to use proposed. After the speaker, he proposed. Proposed. Person spoken to. Now we have to use here linker. Here you have to use linker that. If it is started late, now we have to think. And repeating verb, one is subject, one subject is third person, another is first person. Now we have to use here accusative person we. If it is here first person and one is third person and another is first person, now you have to use here we. We after changing person, we should use here. We should use here should. Should go out for a walk. Okay, dear students, follow the exam question. Example number 6. Tarak said to you, let us enjoy the play tonight. Okay, let us. So, here is also proposed. Tarek proposed you. Tarek proposed to you. Tarek proposed to you. Now we have to use linker that. After linker we have to use person. Subjective form. If it is started late and repeating verb, one is third person and another is second person. Now we have to use here person acting to person you. You after person you should we have to use here should. Should enjoy the play. Enjoy the play. The play Here tonight. Tonight here nearwards we have to change it forwards. Okay. Tonight is that word. That night. That night. Okay, dear students, follow the example number 7. Haiba said to Meena, let us go out. If we started late, according to after speaker, we have to use proposed and person is spoken to. Linker, here linker is used that. Now person here, if it is started late and remember one is third person and another is also third person. Now you have to use here according to person they. So Habiba proposed to Meena. Proposed to Meena. Linker that. Here linker used that. Here person used they. They should go out. Okay, dear students, again I will tell you for your better understanding. Okay. He said to me, let us go out. If the report is started late and remember one is third person and another is first person. Now you have to use here after linker, we have to use according to person we. And now question example number 6, you have to follow very carefully. Tarek said to you, here one is third person and another is second person. Now we have to use after linker that. After you have to use linker that, and after linker we have to use person you. If it is one is third person and another is second person, now we have to use you. Person according to person you, and after person we have to use should and enjoy the play tonight nearwards. We have to change it forwards. Okay, that night. Number 7, Habiba said to Meena, let us go out. Here, look at the board, look at the board and follow the example very carefully. It is very important for you. Habiba said to Meena. Here we can find out one Habiba, one is third person and Meena another is also third person. And now we have to use here they. Okay, dear student, after they we have to use should go out. Okay, dear students, if you listen to my class and watch my class very carefully, I think you will be able to understand my class. If you understand my class, I think my class will be successful. Dear students, as a teacher, I am earnestly requested to you. You should watch Sangsad television online classes and also our schools online classes. It is very important at present situation. And last of all, I would like to tell you, stay safe and remain safe. Thank you very much.